Welcome back YouTube to the Xillerated channel. It's been a long minute, but the car finally came into an issue where I could create content again. And basically that issue is the oil feed line. It leaks. It's leaking from the cylinder head right at this spot right here on the passenger side. And it's coming from the top. I read online to check the crush washer, but I believe it's coming from like the solder of the line. It's not connected very well. So this is looking from the firewall, passenger side, straight down on the turbo. For those of you guys that don't know, that's the oil feed line, and it's going to the back of right there. Zip tie mesh, hold on. Right there. So the way I'm gonna do this is try to keep the turbo on. I've seen some, maybe only a couple people do it with the turbo on. I'm gonna try to do that. I got a 17 millimeter ratchet wrench. I'm gonna get down there and try to remove the bottom line first. Then we'll work on the top since it's a lot easier to get to. Let's see. So trying to get a good angle here for you guys to see. Going from the intake side under. Oh, gotta make sure this is going in the right direction. Nope. Alright, we got it. Let's see. So I gotta pull up to loosen it. Dang, I cracked it loose. While I'm stripping it, let's see. I hope it's a 17 mil. There we go. Got it loose. And now it's just time to remove that. I loosened up the top. Thought it was gonna be kind of hard to remove, but I forgot I rebuilt the engine 2 years ago, so it wasn't too bad to crack open. Now just time to remove that hose, and remember the box wrench, open end wrench, but with the ratcheting in, helps out a lot. Only downfall is torquing it to spec. I know it's, from what I've read and seen online, it's 25 foot-pounds. I'm gonna have to try to guesstimate that, but we'll see. So I got the banjo bolts off and realized I forgot to remove the 10 mil that's connected to the turbo right here. So I'm gonna have to remove that with a 10 mil. Don't forget about that. Just wanted to make sure before I removed everything that you guys saw that. Got it removed. Make sure you don't drop the screws, especially if you're static. It's gonna be, I mean, I got a magnet, but just don't drop it if you don't. The car's pretty low. So we removed it and it was leaking from up here. So I'm just trying to see if I can see where it could have probably failed. Looks like it's a hairline crack right on there. Hard to see, but it's on there. So here's the kit, stainless steel, comes with the 2-inch. Mine was the AN fitting. Heard there's some issues when it gets to the back of the block to seal it, so we're gonna see if we got some of that issues. And it comes with 2 two new bolts. One is the bigger bore, so oil could go through. This one goes to your cylinder head, and then the smaller one goes to the turbo. It's not like the standard the OEM one. This one has a bigger opening in there, and then the one side that is just that small. So this one will definitely give it better oil, I feel like, because it has one but two ends open, so it's gonna flow a little bit better through that from what I see. I think the opening is definitely bigger too, so we'll see how it goes. Time to install this and see what issues we run into. Got everything all bolted up. I started the engine already, didn't see no leaks. There's cardboard there because I wanted to see if oil would leak. Ouch, hot, right on it, but it didn't, so that's why you see cardboard right there. Fitted nicely, and then it runs all the way up to here. That's just from removing the bolt, but so far it just looks good. I'm not sure if it's gonna leak when I boost, but I guess we'll go out. I let the car warm up long enough, so hopefully when we start driving it's warm enough to go into boost. So we're gonna check that out and see what happens. The one thing I didn't show you guys, it's a different day, was the hose I got. I got the 40-inch hose, which was too long, so I took it all apart, went to a hose shop here in Vegas, and they were able to go get me, or not go, but make me a smaller oil feed line. So I got a 13-inch oil feed line, which is a lot better. You kind of want it short for the oil feed, so it gets there quicker. But as you can see, there it is right there in the light. Hard to tell. Right below the wastegate, that's the line. Right now I'm checking for leaks. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the engine noise, but so far it looks like there's no leaks. Got it all situated. So 13-inch line, 12 inches would be better. And then it just goes straight right up there onto the turbo. And it looks good. AN fitting. Only thing I could see if you ever decide to go this route is changing the copper washers. That's all you have to really do. The crush washers, that's all you have to change. But overall, everything's all situated. It's all good. Glad to know that was an easy oil fix from the smoking. There is other reasons why the car would smoke as well, is valve cover gaskets, coolant leak there. I see a lot of lines that are back there. But yeah, that's all I can see. Hope you guys like the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Y'all already know, stay exhilarated, keep doing what you love, and stay excited doing it. Stay exhilarated. Peace out.